called rosacea. So if you have a skin condition and you have very sensitive skin, this is one of my favorite things to incorporate into my personal skincare routine because of the rosacea I sometimes get. So this week we are tackling some dry skin busters. And this time of year, our skin often changes with the season, with the heat being on. Sometimes you might be even using space heaters, fireplaces. They all contribute to your skin feeling and looking more dry. So today I'm sharing one of my favorite dry skin busters, and it's a perfect day to show this to you because not only is it going to help my dry skin, but it also helps my skin condition, sensitive skin. And this product is very lightweight. I apply it over my moisturizer or even under my moisturizer. It can be used various different ways, which I love. So especially if you forget a step, you don't have to worry about missing it. I also like using it if I feel I have dry spots throughout the day and I have full makeup on, I can tap this on the areas that feel dry and it instantly hydrates without messing up my makeup. This is going to calm and nourish your. So today's product is the Clinical Solutions Calm and Restore Facial Milk. This product is not only a great product to use when you're going through your retinization process with the retinol, but I use it daily because I have skin. It's full of rich fatty acids as well as plant-based oils like safflower seed oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, all of which are lightweight. So the Calm and Restore Facial Milk is going to help calm and nourish your skin. It's great for minor skin irritations. If you've been in the sun or if you have windburn, this is also a great go-to product in the summer months. It contains glycerin and squalene, which also helps your skin retain its natural moisture levels. So if you're looking for something to help hydrate your skin, add a little extra boost to the winter season, but you like something very lightweight and calming, this is a great solution for your skincare routine. And if I can help you customize a dry skin buster for your skin situation this January, direct message me so we can find the perfect solution.